Osuimono is one of the simplest and most elegant soups in Japanese cuisine. It is made with a clear dashi broth, lightly seasoned with salt and soy sauce to highlight the natural umami of the ingredients. Unlike miso soup, osuimono is delicate and refined, often served on special occasions or as part of a traditional meal. The beauty of this soup lies in the clarity, gentle aroma, and the harmony between the broth and the seasonable ingredients. In Japan, a well-made osuimono is a quiet expression of balance and simplicity. Let's begin. Step 1. Kombu preparation. We begin with kombu. For this method, use 0.3 ounce or 10 grams of kombu per 4 cups of water. Gently wipe the surface with a damp cloth. This removes any dust, while preserving the natural umami compounds. Step 2. Gentle extraction. Place the kombu in water and heat it slowly over low heat. Allow it to warm for about 30 minutes. When you see small bubbles forming from the bottom, the extraction is complete. At this point, remove the kombu. Do not let the kombu boil. If boiled, the broth becomes cloudy and develops unwanted bitterness. So always remove it just before it reaches a full boil. Step 3. Katsuobushi extraction. Now we add katsuobushi. Gently place it into the kombu dashi. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. During this time, the umami compounds are released into the liquid. Dr. Bonito tip: do not stir, do not touch. Agitation causes the broth to become cloudy. Instead, allow the extraction to happen naturally. This is how you achieve a clear, golden dashi. Step 4. Strain. After 5 minutes, strain the broth. Now you have a wase dashi, a combination of kombu and katsuobushi. Step 5. Seasoning. Lightly season with salt and soy sauce. At this stage, the flavor should remain delicate and balanced. Step 6. Ingredients. Now, we prepare the ingredients. Cut off into small cubes and add it to the broth. For kamaboko, separate it from the wooden bottle using the back of your knife. Slice into about 1/3 inch thickness and add to the pot. Transfer to a bowl and finish with the mitsuba. What you see here is not just soup. It is balanced between kombu and katsuobushi, between extraction and restraint. Give it a try and have a flavorful day.